How to use dark mode on Discord. So first of all, open your Discord app or open it on your PC. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to open user settings. Inside user settings, scroll down and tap on appearance to access the display and theme settings. Inside appearance settings, scroll down to find the theme section with different display options. Tap on dark option to switch your Discord interface to dark mode immediately. Look at the live preview displayed on the screen to confirm that dark mode has been applied correctly. If the dark mode is too dark or too bright, use the brightness slider to adjust it to your preference level. If you want Discord to automatically match your device theme, toggle on the Scenic with Device option. While in appearance setting, you can also change the message display to cozy or compact based on your preference. Once everything looks good, go back to the main screen and your dark mode settings will be automatically saved. Thank you for watching.